For we are discussing about abstract classes in which we can create a class with abstract methods and we can make the subclasses to implement the abstract class features. And we also discuss the limitations called abstract class is not a pure abstract where certain concrete methods are possible to define and which is not making your abstract classes are pure abstract. Second thing is if multiple abstract class features are needed by a subclass, like we have a bank and we have a loan, if I wanted to also go with the features from bank, I am not able to implement that. So this is another limitation of abstract classes. Then what is the solution for this? Means if one class need multiple features from multiple abstract classes, means I have for a vehicle we have got a car class. For a car class I wanted to some features to get it derived from vehicle, and then I also need a loan features for a car, and also I wanted to go for a parking. So these many features I wanted to acquire at a time. I am not able to get many things from many classes. I am just able to get it something from only one class. So this is a limitation. So what is the solution for this? Right? So that is what is the solution called as an interface. What is an interface? So interface is like a class, it is not a class. Clear? Java interface is like a class, it is not a class, and in which all methods are by default abstract. Coming to in abstract class, only the methods what we specify abstract are abstract, rest of them are concrete. But here by default, even if you give keyword called abstract or not, all are abstract methods. That is the reason it is called as an interface. Interface means what? Just it is a bridge between two things. It itself will not have anything inside. So that is called as an interface. It looks like a class. We have a structure for interface also same like begin, end and the keyword, and you will have interface name. The keyword in place of class you will use interface. How it is going to be different from a class we are going to see now practically. Let's say in the previous example now there is an abstract class in which you have got the name is loan, right? The same thing I am going to replace it. Let us make it interface. In interface always remember there is no question of concrete methods. All are by default abstract and public. Remember here all are always default abstract and public methods. They are all public. And there is no instance variable. At the same time for interface also you cannot instantiate. Means object cannot be created. There are some similarities between abstract class and an interface. So we will discuss what are the similarities and as well as dissimilarities. Next is there is another interface, let us say bank. Okay, there can be multiple interfaces and in which we have a method called bank details. You don't need to give the keyword here, whereas in abstract class you need to give the keyword explicitly. Here it is not required. Now the problem of abstract class is now overcome by your interface. What was the limitation? Like I cannot have multiple inheritance by means of abstract methods, but now I can have multiple inheritance by means of interfaces. Now housing loan IMPL class can implement both the interfaces loan comma bank. As it is not a class, now multiple things can be implemented. Clear? Now the thing is again same like a abstract class. How many number of methods are there in loan and as well as one more interface, all needs to be implemented. It means let's say in the super class get EMI disp loan type. we have implemented, right? Get EMI loan type. Now what about this bank interface? We have one method here that needs to be implemented, so let us implement that. Implementation means writing a logic. Let's say I have simple logic called. That's all. Still I am getting some error. What is this? Right? See here, there is a restriction in interface called. In interface, all are by default public. All functions are, even if you don't specify, public. But in abstract class, it is not like that. It can be default, it can be public, it can be protected. But in interface, you can't give any specification. All are forced to be public. Now, when something is public in a superclass, the rule you need to follow is we cannot make them weaker in the subclass. Weaker means what? Public is the highest privilege, right? It should be similar to that or it should be greater than that, but it cannot be less than that. So it should be made public. Then it will accept. This is a rule you need to remember, guys. All of you can make a note. In case of, okay, overriding means implementing, you can say, not overriding. In case of implementing subclass methods, okay, access should be equal or stronger than superclass method. It means what? Equal or stronger means what? See, the strongness is like public, next is protected, next is default, and next is private. So if it is in the superclass public, it should be public in the subclass. If it is in the superclass protected, it can be protected or public. If it is default in the superclass, it can be default, protected and public. Okay, that's the order you need to maintain. That is the reason when it is not public, it will not allow you. So it will give an error. So you have to make it public. For we are now discussing the problem of multiple inheritance is solved. We are able to get something from loan and some other things from bank. Subclasses to this was the limitation in abstract class. Abstract class features. Okay, overcome by and we also discussed the limitations. And interfaces are pure abstract. Means where if I write something, okay, public, possible to show some concrete method, means some logic oriented method, it will not allow you. Second thing is if there is no question of having implemented by a subclass, will not allow you. Like we have a bank, all we have a loan. If I wanted to also go with, suppose if I write some other method which is abstract, I am not able to implement that like this. So this is another limitation of abstract. There is no. Then what is the solution for this? Means body. If yes, one it will class because it is abstract. Multiple features, right, from multiple abstract. Abstract means without body. Means concrete means with a vehicle. Interface all are by default abstract. For a car class, I wanted to some features to get now it the two problems vehicle. Of abstract classes and then are also overcome by your interface. Car, multiple inheritance, and also I wanted to go for a parking achieved. So these and many what are the dissimilarities? To acquire at a dissimilarities not able to get abstract class methods can be public, private, protected. Just able to get it some but from only not private. Sorry, public, so protected, default. But in so what is the solution? Interfaces all are by right? default public only. That is what is the solution. All are by default interact only. You did not keep what the is an keyword called abstract. Okay. So interface now is the rest of the like thing implementation part and making use of that methods is very similar to Java interface is like a class. It is abstract class means and in which all methods are by default variable you have to use and you can call everything from coming to in abstract class. Now only the method you can observe here as loan rest of them are interface with. But here by default even if you give coming to a vehicle loan also there are public methods. All are abstract. You have to make them as that is the reason it is called as an interface. Interface means what? Otherwise it is a bridge between two things. And what is a keyword? It itself will not have interface inside. This is the basic thing. That is called as an interface. You have to observe. It looks like a class. Not we have a structure for interface also same like begin, end, and the keyword and you will have interface. Suppose name. The keyword in place of class implementation class is implementing two interfaces. How it is going not to be mandatory that different you have to use it based on your usage. You have to see now practical. Even for vehicle also you need a bank interface. Then let's say in the previous example now implementing bank class and implement the method of the bank. What is the method of the bank? The same thing. Wide bank details. Let's implement that. Let us make it interface. While implementing, definitely you need to write a logic. And in interface, always remember there is no question of concrete methods. This rule is not applicable in all case of by default abstract. Before in abstract classes, methods are not and by default public. Okay. Remember now, here, while referring to them, it is very similar. There default is no change. As abstract there is no function and show, just they are all public. And there is no instance variable. At the same time for interface also bank just you cannot the class instantiate it. Means see object here cannot be one more thing you have to observe here. As loan is implementing there are some similarities loan between abstract you are able to call loan type. So we will discuss what all the there is another question and as well there is a method from your what is the interface. Next is bank. There is another interface. Let us say. Can we call with bank. This reference this method? No. Okay, there can be multiple interfaces. And in so which we have to do a method called bank details. So for the second interface the bank B equal whereas in abstract class you need to give the keyword explicitly. Use the same subclass. If you want to call something from bank interface. Now the problem of B dot abstract class is now okay because this is a method available in this interface. What was the limitation? So you cannot call with this like reference. I cannot have. So be careful with that. Okay. Here multiple inheritance by means of abstract methods. As bank reference is already available. Now what you can do is B is equal to new of multiple inheritance by means of interfaces. Now housing loan IMPL class can implement both the interfaces. Loan comma B dot. As it is not a class, now multiple things can be have to be careful. Clear? Now the thing is, so again now same what are the similarities? Class. Okay. How many number similarities of are there in loan? Abstract class well also we can't create an object. All needs to be implemented. It means abstract class also the super class get EMI common behavior where there is no implementation, right? Interface EMI loan type and no implementation. Now what about this bank behavior? We have one method here. Declarations that needs to be implemented. Function is declared in an interface and implementation means writing a logic. Interface is also provide a common structure. Let's say I have needs to be implemented by subclass. This is also designed at the top level. Okay, at the beginning level of your still I am getting some error. What is and this? All the implementation classes should follow. See that. Here there is but the dissimilarity in interface call can be used in interface all are by default public. Thus with this interface even if you don't Java supports multiple inheritance. But in abstract class second thing not like that. Interface cannot have any can be public. It can concrete be methods. There but is no in interface you can't give any specification. All are forced to be public. And in interface all methods are default public now, and abstract. When something so is public in a super class, but in the rule you need to follow to give the keyword weak and they are not make public. Them weaker can be protected. It can be weaker means what? Public is the highest privilege. And right? Even it should be similar to that or it should be greater than object. It cannot be less. There is no question of so it should be main constructor. There is no question of then instance variables. If at all, if you wanted to make any this variable, is a rule you need to remember, guys. All public, all of you public only you can access from the other class. In case of public, as we cannot create an object for that, it should be static. And we can't modify that, which is means implementing. You can say so not it should be final. In case of mostly we will not prefer to define anything in a anything in an interface. Subclass, but if at all if we are supposed to declare something, it should be public static final. Should be data type can be anything, but it should be public static equal or so. This stronger. Is a point you have to remember about interface while implementing. And interface is a keyword or implements is a keyword. Should not forget. Don't get confusion with abstract classes. super class method. And interface implementation is mandatory while we are going to develop the strongness case study also. First at the top level we design certain interfaces, and further next we go for implementation. This is again private to get a second level of encapsulation. So if it is in the superclass public, it should be public in the subclass. If it is in the superclass protected, it can be protected. That we will see practically in our. If it is default in the superclass, it can be default protected. So this is another important. That's the order you need to maintain. That is the reason into when it is not public, which is not allow you object oriented. So give an error that is called data abstraction. Have to make it abstract classes and interfaces. And coming to in Java 8, okay. Now, as we are going to the problem of multiple inheritance version, we are able to get something from loan and some the previous to Java 8 version. This was the limitation in static method is allowed. Okay, overcome by our interfaces. But now and interfaces there are is a static method is allowed now. If I write something, okay, public void show some concrete method only in some Java 8 if you are working method, it will not allow you. Next is called there is a method question of default method implemented method. Default methods are also possible with all your methods should be Java 8. So suppose if I write some other method which is added feature into Java 8 like this, there is no some method body. You can write yes, it will allow because it is abstract. Okay, right? And abstract means without body. As it is concrete means with type. Just I'll make it interface. All are by these two methods are possible with Java 8. Now the two problems of abstract classes. So how to make use of this static multiple inheritance static methods from pure abstraction interface, and how do we make use of and what are the dissimilarities we will be discussing. Dissimilarities is abstract class methods can be public, private, protected, default. Clear guys? That's all about interfaces. Not private, sorry. Public, protected, I'll be sharing this code, but in you can start just explore on this. All are by default public only. Try to compare all are by default classes interfaces. Identify the similarities and as well as dissimilarity. Now, the rest of the thing, implementation part and making use of that methods is very similar to your okay abstract classes. Means you can't create an object, only reference variable you have to use, and you can call everything from the subclass. Now, you can observe here as loan is an interface with public methods. Coming to a vehicle loan also, there are public methods, right? You have to make them as public, otherwise it will not allow you. And what is the keyword you have to give for interface? This is the basic thing you have to observe called implements, not extends. And now that's all. Suppose one implementation class is implementing two interfaces. It is not mandatory that everywhere you have to use it. Based on your usage you have to use it. Even for vehicle also you need a bank interface, then you go for okay implementing bank and implement the method of the bank. What is the method of the bank? So void bank details, let's implement that here. While implementing, definitely you need to write a logic and you have to make it public, otherwise it will not accept. This rule is not applicable in case of abstract classes. Before, in abstract classes methods are not by default public. Okay. Now while referring to them, it is very similar, there is no change. As there is no function show, just let's remove it. Bank, just I am removed that class, so I am not using it. See here, one more thing you have to observe here. As loan is implementing your housing loan, okay, you are able to call loan type and a loan EMI. There is another question. There is a method from your what is the interface bank called bank details, right? Can we call with this reference this method? No. You have to be careful. So what you have to do? So for the second interface bank B equal to, use the same subclass. If you want to call something from bank interface, B dot bank details, because this is a method available in this interface, so you cannot call with this reference with this. So be careful with that. Here also the same. So as bank reference is already available, now what you can do is B is equal to new of vehicle IMPL loan IMPL, right? Now B dot display bank details. You have to be careful. So now what are the similarities? Okay, similarities are abstract class also we can't create an object, interface also we can't create. Abstract class also provides a common behavior where there is no implementation. Interface also no implementation, only protocol behavior, only declarations for a function is declared in an interface, and implementation can be done in a subclass. Interface is also provide a common structure that needs to be implemented by subclass. This is also designed at the top level, okay, at the beginning level of your project implementation, and all the implementation classes should follow that. But the dissimilarities are interface can be used with multiple inheritance. Thus, with these interfaces, Java supports multiple inheritance. Second thing is interface cannot have any concrete methods. There is no question of concrete methods, whereas abstract class allows that. And in interface, all methods are default public and abstract, so you don't need to give the keyword. But in abstract class, you have to give the keyword, and they are not public. It can be protected, it can be default, it can be public. And even in interface also, as we cannot create an object, so there is no question of constructor, there is no question of instance variables. If at all, if you wanted to make any variable, it should be public. Public only you can access from the other class, right? So should be public. As we cannot create an object for that, it should be static. And we can't modify that which is coming from an interface, so it should be final. Mostly we will not prefer to define anything in anything in an interface. But if at all, if we are supposed to declare something, it should be public static final. Data type can be anything, but it should be public static final. So this is a points you have to remember about interface while implementing. And interface is a keyword, implements is a keyword. Should not forget, don't get confusion with abstract classes. And interface implementation is mandatory while we are going to develop our case study also. First at the top level we design certain interfaces, and further we go for implementation. This is again to get a second level of encapsulation for your application. Always the request come through your interface to the implementation class. That we will see practically in our advanced topics. So this is another important important feature into Java, which is object orientation features, that is called data abstraction, abstract classes and interfaces. And coming to in Java 8, okay, as we are going to use with a Java 8 version, in interfaces, the previous to Java 8 version, there is no static method is allowed. But now there is a static method is allowed now in Java 8, right? Only in Java 8 if you are working with. Next is called, there is a method called default method. Okay, default methods are also possible with your Java 8. So these two features are newly added feature into Java 8. Some method you can write with, okay, and here as it is having some return type, just I'll make it a return back. These two methods are possible with Java 8. So how to make use of this static methods from a interface, and how do we make use of a default method for an interface, we will be discussing practically into Java 8 sessions. Clear guys? That's all about interfaces. I'll be sharing this code. You can start just explore on this topic, and then try to compare with abstract classes interfaces, identify the similarities and as well as dissimilarities